This is a 1,000-ton Sack and Kiesselbach hydraulic press. Got T-slatted upper plate bolster, T-slatted bottom bolster. It's Upacting with a hydraulic ejector. Here's the dual palm button control. You have your auto ejector on and off, run jog function, your e-stops. Here's all your gauges. Here's your pressure indicator tonnage. In here is the timer for the ejector, along with the tonnage, or how fast you want it to go up and down. Top one's for ejector up, and then ejector down, and then you can set the timer on it as well. Roughly 300-gallon, 350-gallon hydraulic tank and unit here. Here's your main control, your main hydraulic pump on. This is for a rapid pump. It has rapid advance until press, and then this is for the ejector pump. (1965) is the original year of manufacture. It's in very good shape. Been well maintained. And some new seals and new pump parts added throughout the years here. Some recent. Here's the main motor, 150 horsepower.